I am Andrea and I am from Venezuela. I have been doing Pilates for many years and I found Patricia, one of the recommendations, and I like it and I decided to start with her. She's a great teacher. I like the way she explains and I like her vibes, and she goes into details and you can keep the information quick. The favorite part for me, both the vibes and the style of the explanation from Patricia. And after starting with Patricia, I like more this kind of Pilates than the stock Pilates. And if someone asks me if I recommend Patricia or the method of Patricia, I say yes. I like that she mix the Joseph Pilates method and her method, and that's made like a more complete because you have knowledge about both sides.